Hello friends, welcome to Beauty Mantra. My name is Jyotika Anand, a fitness expert. So in today's video, I'll be demonstrating 10 simple exercises for beginners. So the first exercise is called a Superman. You need to keep your neck straight, neutral, facing down. Lift your leg up and alternate arm up. And give me 10 repetitions with one leg first and other. So what you need to avoid while doing this exercise is this. Do not move your neck up. Keep looking down. Only your leg and arm will move up. This exercise is best suited to strengthen up your lower back. So the second exercise is called a plank. Come onto your elbows. Lift yourself up so the body should be parallel to the floor. You need to avoid doing this or this. Your core should be tight and body should be parallel to the floor and neck should be neutral. So beginners can hold this position for 10 seconds and increase it up gradually to 1 minute. Fourth exercise, come onto your elbows like this. Place one arm here. Lift your leg up and down. So beginners can repeat this for 10 times. Do it with your one leg first and repeat it with your other leg. So the fifth exercise is called squats. You need to stand with your legs shoulder width apart, arms here, push your hips backwards and squat down, up, squeeze your glutes in, down. Make sure your knees should not cross your toes like that. You should always push your hips backwards and up. And exhale when you go down. Exhale down. Repeat this exercise for 15 times. So the sixth exercise is called assisted lunges. Take your leg backwards, place one arm here. You need to go down like that. Just make sure that you do not extend your knee like that completely, or your knee should not cross your toe like that. So you should go vertically down. Keep looking in the front, exhale down and come up. You need to repeat this exercise 10 times with one leg and 10 times with other. Seventh exercise is called glutes kickback. Very easy. Hold the chair or you can hold the wall or anything you have. Keep your leg straight. Push your leg upwards, kick up and bring it down. Exhale up. For beginners, they need to repeat this exercise at least 15 times with one leg and do the same with your left leg. So eighth exercise is called calf raises. Hold the chair, keep your legs straight. You need to come up on your toes like that. Exhale up and go down without touching the heel down on the floor. So exhale up and down. Beginners are supposed to repeat this exercise 15 times. So the ninth exercise is an isometric exercise for your forearms. You need to press your arms together and apply force and hold this position for 15 seconds to up to 30 seconds. This is a very good exercise for strengthening this part of your arms. So the last exercise is called assisted wall push-ups. This works very well on your primary muscle, which is chest, pectorals. Also works upon your triceps. So you need to do this exercise at least 10 times and make sure you need to exhale when you go down. So these are 10 simple exercises for beginners. Those who are feeling a little shy and hesitant to go to gym, you can use these exercises at home and see the desired results. I hope you liked the video. Do not forget to subscribe for the channel. Also, if you like the video, please give a thumbs up.